When the product arrives at your receiving department, they should inspect the shock watch and the tip and tail indicator to see if they have been tripped. Any claims for damage depend on this notation. We recommend that you have a large open area for unpacking your fetch robot. Also, locking the casters helps. To do so, push down on the black brake lever with your toe. To open the door, twist out locking handles and turn counterclockwise to release. You'll need to do both top and bottom. Next, open the door and lower the ramp. Hold the top of the ramp with one hand and unclip the safety strap with the other. As you lower the ramp, the wooden support should unfold into place. If it doesn't, pull it forward toward the front of the ramp until it is vertical. To remove the wooden support brace, unscrew the wing nut on each side. Lift the brace up to clear the awl thread and forward to remove from the case. Remove the foam support and set aside. Remember to save all these components for reshipping. When cutting the bag open, please use scissors so you don't scratch the robot. We recommend cutting across the bottom, up the middle, and across the top. Expose the robot from the bag as best as possible. 2 people should pull the robot out of the case and roll it down the ramp, while removing the bag at the same time. Make sure not to roll the robot off the side of the ramp. Remove the outer arm support and set aside. With scissors, remove the stretch wrap and foam that is around the robot. Be careful not to scratch the robot as it is directly underneath the foam. To remove the inner arm support, it requires 2 people to move the arm since the power is still off. Leave the arm off to one side for the next step. Remove the toolkit from the ATA case. Open the toolkit and locate the Allen key set. You are required to remove 4 screws with the 3mm Allen key. Remove the 4 black screws from the deck plate. Because of the torso, the back screws are a little more difficult. Remove the deck plate and the metal plate below. This should reveal the battery compartment. Remove the foam block from the battery compartment. Locate the connectors labeled bottom and connect them together. You should hear a snap when they are fully connected. Then locate the connectors labeled top and connect them together. Return the cables back to the battery compartment along with the foam block. Return the metal plate and the deck plate and secure into place with the 4 screws. Locate the red switch on the back of the base of the robot. Toggle this switch on to finish the power connection to the batteries. Return the Allen key set to the toolkit and remove the PS3 controller. Later, you will need to remove the USB cord for charging the PS3 controller. On the computer control panel, locate the power button and turn the robot on. Turn the emergency run stop button clockwise to release. Once the robot is completely powered on and the computer has finished booting, the arm should be in gravity compensation mode, making it easier to move the arm into a tucked position by hand. We recommend placing it in the same orientation as it came out of the ATA case. Press the power button on the PS3 controller to sync to the robot. The controller will vibrate when the sync is complete. To control the robot, the deadman switch must be held down in order to navigate and to control the up and down movement of the torso. The left joystick controls right and left rotation, and the right joystick controls forward and reverse movement of the base. Torso up is the triangle button, and torso down is the X button. To operate the pan-tilt movement of the head, hold down the left trigger just below the deadman. The left joystick will then rotate the head left and right, and the right joystick will tilt the eyes up and down. Along with the deadman, the Start and Select button open and closes the gripper. The functions of the PS3 controller are also detailed in the online user manual, along with the toolkit content and charging instructions. And remember to save all components of the ATA case for later shipment. Thank you for watching our unpacking video. Good luck with your new Fetch robot.